Welcome to Powerviz, where we empower your Power BI reports with cutting-edge visuals. Today, we're diving into an advanced use case with our date picker, multi-period analysis. If you've ever needed to compare sales, revenue, or KPIs across different time periods, like Q1 versus Q2 in a single report, this video is for you. We'll show how the date picker's multiple date range features make this a breeze. Let's get started. We're using a sample e-commerce dataset with sales data from 2023 and 2024. Start by downloading the date picker from Microsoft AppSource. It's free for 30 days. Once added to Power BI, drag a date column, like order date, into the visual. Now let's enable multiple date ranges. Click the gear icon for advanced settings. Under Calendar, check the box Multiple Date Ranges. This lets users select 2 or more periods, perfect for comparisons. Let's put this to work with a real-world example, comparing Black Friday sales from 2023 to 2024. With the date picker, we'll select 2 periods, November 20th to 26, 2023, and November 20th to 26, 2024. Notice how the charts update instantly, showing revenue trends for both Black Friday periods side by side. But what if we want to save this view for quick access? That's where bookmarking comes in. And there you have it. The Powerviz Date Picker makes multi-period analysis powerful and intuitive with multiple date ranges. Ready to try it? Download the 30-day free trial from powerviz.ai or Microsoft AppSource. For more advanced tips, check out our YouTube tutorials or book a demo with the Powerviz team. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.